Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Kawasaki KRX 1000 ES model. We've just installed the RYCO 4200 and the 4200A kit combined. Want to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. So with the 4200 from RYCO, the front turn signals are going to be these 3/4 inch amber LEDs. Now you can install these anywhere. You can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, so you can pick anywhere along the machine. Now with the upper brush guard and things like that on this machine, be a little bit careful with your placement. So this customer decided to mix it up, do the 4200 and the 4200A. The RYCO 4200A is going to include this new grille along with these awesome accent lights. He wanted to add the 4200 lights on the front as well to give it some nice added visibility from the sides. So how does it work? Just like in your car, down will be left. You'll have indicator lights up on the dash to let you know that the turn signals are on. On the front, you can see those side marker lights or the lights that are included in the 4200A kit there. Excuse me, the 4200 kit there. Nice and bright. And then this grille with the 4200A. Very nice. So you've got that side visibility as well as front visibility and that awesome grille from RYCO. What I love about the RYCO kit is it does tie into the stock tail light housing. You're illuminating all of those bright LEDs in the rear. You also have the four-way hazard function with the RYCO kit. Simply pull out on that red lever. You got those indicator lights up on the dash. And lighting everywhere. Very nice, awesome look. Huge thanks to Gray for forcing us to figure out how to make this happen. It turned out really sweet. I'm guessing we're gonna see this more often. So what you'd want to do is buy the 4200A kit, and then we've got a separate part number for the 6 LEDs that you're seeing here on the front. And then around on the back side, again, we've got the hazards functioning. To release the four-way hazard function, you're going to simply go up or down with this lever. You can't push that red lever back in. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. Also with the RYCO kit, it is going to come with your license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. This is a specific mount for the KRX. If you'd like more information, give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll also have a link to our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports, in the description below, where you can go on and add the 4200, the 4200A. You can even add the additional lights up front. Let us know what you think. We do have street legal kits available for any ATV or side-by-side on the market. Have a great day, everybody.